Got an Abarth 595 in. Popular car, we did quite a few of these. Reason why is because they generally don't have alarm systems installed as factory. It's just a remote key with a chip immobiliser, and that's it. So what generally happens is that thieves have a skeleton key, easily unlock the door without causing any damage to it, plug into the OBD port and actually bypass the factory immobiliser, and the way they go. And they could do that really quickly. And there's other methods as well, I understand, of stealing these vehicles, but that's the most common one. So basically we fitted a Pandora Mini BT, which is a Category 1 factory improved alarm system, obviously insurance approved, and it works with a factory remote. So arm that, it actually locks it and arms. And what it is, you have these tags, and I've taken the battery out of the tag. So without the tag being detected, if you come to unlock it, so if you use the remote or if you use the key, it won't actually disarm the alarm system. Open the door, the alarm's going off. And also, the most important part is the immobilisation. So if you try to start it, it will not start. Absolutely dead. So, all you have to do is introduce the tag back into the system. It's now disarmed, so the tag's there. And the immobilisation is now disabled as well, so the vehicle starts. So it's quite an easy to use alarm system, ideal to protect this sort of vehicle as well. So you just carry on using your factory remote and nothing else really. The alarm system is standard, has the interior sensors, has a tilt sensor, shock sensor, motion sensor as well. So some of these cars are being jacked up and the catalyst converters are being stolen, so that's where the tilt sensor comes in handy, and it's all part of the alarm system as standard package. So that's the Pandora Mini BT fitted to this Abarth 595.